Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this Membrane Solutions water straw. That's the WS02. They have a couple of different solutions. So this is a little bit a larger one, has capacity of up to 5,000 liters or 1,300 gallons or a little bit more, as long as you keep it clean and dry and rinse it after every use. It has a detachable 4-stage filtration with 0.1 micron. So absolutely amazing. So I'm going to show you what we get here, how to use it and how it's performing outside in real life. So they come nicely protected, but still easy to open. We have this nice tip here, so we can keep it clean. That's the mouthpiece where you drink usually, but you can unscrew the tip. And then we have access to the filter already. And that's the part which you want to rinse and dry and keep as clean as possible. By the way, that's the top and that's the bottom, if you don't remember anymore. Comes also with a nice strap which you can put around your neck so you don't lose it. And also at the bottom we can remove this part, and so you can see there's even some filter here. Also good idea to give it a nice rinse after using it, and everything has a nice seal. And we have two adapters down here, larger one and a smaller one. But of course with this straw we can also use it directly, so pretty much 3 different usages. We can drink out of a river, we can use it with a gravity system which we hang up on a roof or on a tree, or you can use it with larger or smaller water bottles. Very important to know that we have a protection here which we need to remove, otherwise it won't work. So that's just a small opening which you can put directly into water, river, lake, pond, wherever you find water, and then use it directly from there. Or you use a suitable bottle. As far as I've been able to see, none of these adapters work for the normal small standard purified bottled water, but they work nicely for larger bottles like this one here. I've replaced it with some drinking water inside. There's no Sprite anymore, so we can use it directly here. You can see has a really nice hold, and then we screw it back, or we leave the adapter on the filter and screw the bottle in directly underneath. And so I filled up this bottle now with tap water, which has a super strong chlorine taste here. It's something which you definitely shouldn't drink. Exactly same as outdoor public water taps. For example, the ones which we have here very close on our bike trail. We have them every mile or so, very convenient. So you don't have to take a lot of water bottles with you when you go for a larger bike ride. And then you can fill the bottles up there. But without the straw, you couldn't use that. And now with this filter here, it's absolutely amazing. You can drink it. By the way, you don't have to suck really hard. You can also give it a push. I mean, of course, depending on the water bottle. Make sure that you have a water bottle which you can also nicely squeeze, so it's much easier to drink. Of course, it's a little bit harder to drink because of the resistance, but this is needed for the filtration. If it's running through too easy, then probably it's not tight enough. You can see when I squeeze it into the cup, it's running somehow like that. This is about what you can expect, definitely enough usually for drinking. And by the way, not only normal usage is easy, also the backwash process, which is highly recommended when you think there's not enough performance or not the same clean taste anymore. So we can just unscrew the mouthpiece and then use about half a liter of filtered water. Definitely not the tap water. And so we screw it in where we usually have the mouthpiece and then squeeze it against the normal flow. You can see the arrow here. So this goes now against the flow and is cleaning the filtration system again. When we look at the whole construction of the frame and the filters, there are a couple of things I want to mention. This is absolutely awesome that we can remove the top here and also the adapters at the bottom and remove the filter here. And of course you can also remove and replace this filter down here. You can just grab it with your fingernails here and you can see a little bit of a gap. Then you can easily retrieve it, remove the sediments here, but of course you could also rinse it directly from here. But you can see you can really replace the whole thing. That's absolutely amazing. It's a very unique design. I've never seen this before. And so when you don't have to replace the whole thing, you can just replace the filter. This can be very cost effective and of course very environmental friendly. And the filter here inside is a 0.1 micron ultra filtration fiber. And it's intended especially to filter out all the bacteria and most of the viruses, for example, the very dangerous E. coli. That's very, very important. But on the other hand, a filter is 0.1 micron, cannot remove all the dissolved chemicals like chlorine. And so to solve this problem, they have added this additional carbon filter down here. But of course, it's not a very large carbon filter. It cannot remove really all the smell, but I would say it definitely helps. Altogether, we have a very effective filtration system, but it's not designed to remove a lot of small particles like these small minerals or so. So when you're testing the water before and after filter with a TDS meter, you won't notice a lot of a difference regarding ppm. That's not the thing which we want to achieve. So I really love the design, definitely an awesome thing, so flexible with all the adapters, really nice mouthpiece, and the option to replace this filter, or both of the filters actually. I've looked it up, currently only around $8 for both of the filters. Can definitely be a huge help out in the woods, or also in an emergency situation, for example after a hurricane or whatsoever. On the other hand, I'm a little bit in doubt for daily usage. So currently I'm not planning to replace my water bottles for biking with this system. Just go with the empty bottle, fill it somewhere on a public drinking fountain, and then filter it with this system, because it really cannot filter out all the chlorine. Just with this small carbon filter, it's just not possible. The water is not in contact long enough to reduce all the chlorine and all the smell. But I'm sure the fibers are doing a great job on removing bacteria and viruses. This is a proven thing, so I don't have to even test that here. That's definitely working. So for me, definitely good thing for emergency situation at home or even out in the woods. But I'm definitely not recommend to use this on a daily basis with normal city water to turn it into normal bottled drinking water. That's not the case here. It's not working like a reverse osmosis filter to remove all the sediments and all the chlorine taste. That's not possible. But again, I would say if you just need that for emergency situation, this could be absolutely perfect, and it's even a very cost-effective and environmental friendly system. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can order one or even a large set for you or for your family. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.